This video shows how your team can communicate during the Slickplan project lifecycle by using real-time comments on different project elements. To leave a general comment on the project, find the comment icon on the navigation bar. To post your comment, simply add it and press enter. If you want to alert a team member or bring something important to their attention, use the @ symbol and choose them from the user list. Comments are displayed in chronological order by default. To change the display order of comments, use the sorting options in the upper right corner of the comment panel. Select your preference to view comments chronologically, by author, or based on the newest or oldest first. To filter messages by keywords in comments, use the search feature at the top left of the comments panel. Hovering over an existing comment reveals options to delete it or reply. To delete a comment, hover over the menu icon next to it and click the trash icon. Use the arrow icon to respond to a message in a side thread. To give feedback on a sitemap page, go to its Properties panel and click on the Feedback tab. Here, you can add comments specifically for that page. To leave comments on a design mockup, open Designs from the project navigation bar and choose the mockup you want by clicking its thumbnail. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a toggle for View and Comment. Switch to comment mode, then hover over any part of the design and click directly on the image to post a floating comment. To add comments on a diagram, navigate to the Diagrams tab and select the one you wish to comment on. To enter comment mode, click the comment icon on the toolbar. To leave a comment, simply hover over any section of the diagram and click to share your thoughts. This helps your team grasp the feedback and suggestions you've given on the diagram more easily. You can use these commenting functions. Edit your comment using the pencil icon under the dotted menu. Delete a comment with the trash can icon. Like a comment with the thumbs up icon. Mark a comment as resolved when a suggestion is completed. That pretty much sums up all the various ways to comment on a Slickplan project. For more information, please visit the support site. Thanks for watching.